Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how to create engaging YouTube content with 6 pro tips that will help you captivate both kids and adults alike. Whether you're in India or any other country, these tips will take your videos to the next level. Let's get started. So, let's kick off with tip number 1. Know your audience. Whether your viewers are kids, adults, or both, you need to know what excites them. For kids, keep things colorful, playful, and energetic. For adults, add value through clear information, relatable stories, or humor. Creating different personas for each audience segment will help tailor your content and increase engagement. A kid-friendly version might include playful music and fun animations, while an adult-focused video may have clean graphics and expert tips. Moving on to tip number 2, keep it short and snappy. People, especially kids, have short attention spans. Make your points quickly and clearly, and don't forget to sprinkle in some entertainment to keep them hooked. Consider using quick edits, catchy music, or even a funny sound effect to keep your audience engaged. Also, plan your video like a story with a beginning, middle, and end, so it stays organized and easy to follow. Now for tip number 3, add a unique visual style. This is your chance to stand out, whether it's bright colors for a younger audience or sleek designs for adults. Your visual style should reflect your channel's personality. Experiment with different themes, backgrounds, and transitions to find what resonates with your audience. Consistency in style will help your channel become recognizable. Tip number 4, engage with your audience. This means asking questions, encouraging comments, and maybe even creating polls or quizzes. The more interactive your videos are, the more your audience will feel connected. Remember, engagement is a two-way street. Respond to comments and listen to feedback is a great way to build community and loyalty. Tip number 5, storytelling is key. Both kids and adults love stories. Weave a narrative that your audience can follow no matter the topic. This helps viewers stay connected to the message of your video. Even if it's just a how-to video, add a personal anecdote or an example to make it more relatable and memorable for your audience. Finally, tip number 6, consistency is everything. Upload on a regular schedule and make sure your content stays aligned with your brand. Whether you're posting weekly, bi-weekly, or daily, consistency will help build trust with your viewers. When your audience knows when to expect your next video, they're more likely to stick around and subscribe. Alright, let's recap. To create engaging YouTube content, you need to 1. Know your audience. 2. Keep it short and snappy. 3. Add a unique visual style. 4. Engage with your audience. 5. Use storytelling. And 6. Stay consistent. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to growing a channel that resonates with both kids and adults. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. And drop a comment below. What's your favorite tip for engaging an audience?